Real. God is love, and I promise His love is enough. And I know that you're looking for peace, yeah, but you won't find it in the drug.
Hello guys, alright guys, so this time we have this amplifier here, which is you can see Hypnotic. This guy is a Hypnotic, as it says here, HYP 2200D. So I don't think it does that, but whatever they say, you know. She's 2200 watt mono black class D amplifier. Alright guys, this time we have this one is it powers up, but this light comes on, but here doesn't come on. Nothing, no light for the indicator light right here. Nothing. Look at the back and the front, then the, so obviously guys, it's not, there is no audio coming from it, because I don't think it pours on. Yeah, not because of this light. Sometimes these light is just from the remote. When it turns on, if the remote turns on, it turns on and stuff like that. Sometimes if you don't, you switch your car off and there's voltage in the remote, this will stay on. But this just came on when you turn on the amplifier, but you could see the board is not switching up, because there's this light right here, the power light and the protection, there's nothing there. It doesn't tell if it's in protection mode or if it's in, you know, whatever mode. So, but there's no audio coming from it, and I think something's wrong with it, because when I look here, the gate with this for the power supply MOSFETs guys are burnt. They're not like burned to ashes or anything like that. You could see they're discolored, you know. So I'm gonna check. Let me see. I didn't. Alright, so I get 66 ohms from off these power supply MOSFET. 66. Let me show you guys. So drain and source. So drain to source. Here, nothing. Hold on. Oh, that one is shorting out. Really? Alright. This one reads 66. This one reads 66 ohms. So guys, something is wrong in the power supply section with this amplifier. But that's why it's not pouring up. Alright. Right, so I think some power supply MOSFET in this for this Hypnotic amplifier. And guys, this amplifier, I don't know them. Honestly, I don't know nothing about this brand. But I look it up after I get these in and to see if I see anything about them. I see they make subwoofers and stuff like that. I didn't know that. I don't know. I didn't look to see, guys, honestly, if they have any bigger amplifier than these, but I know they have these, which I get in for repair. And these amplifiers are not that, they play good, but guys, they are not that expensive. To what I'm understanding, they are not that expensive. They're like 80 bucks, somewhere there. But they do punch, guys. They do, yeah, they do a little punch. They really do. So, right, so let me just take this apart and wow. Alright, that's that. That's that. Let's start from the power supply. Alright, that's that. Guys, so that's that. And that's that. Alright, let me take this. Let me call this now. Come on, don't do that. This little thyristor. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, guys, is just move these MOSFET forward to inside the circuit. I don't want him to lean. Yeah, just pull them forward, guys. Yep, like that. Pull them forward, or pull them toward the circuit, so that way they don't pull the insulator while they're coming out. Alright, so this is a little obstacle right here, which let's see guys, oh yeah, that comes up. Aha. Wow. So now I didn't take this completely apart, so I have to unscrew this a little bit. I don't have to unscrew it right out, but the screws, let me see if I have to take it just to pull this. Yeah, I have to pull the screw right out, then I remove that from there, put it here. That thing, come on. Alright, guys, that's that. This is how the chassis look inside the chassis. And then on this side, you know, it goes hypnotic. Then I pull it. I will remove the screw for the RCA, lead, you know, right there. So let's go ahead and work on this hypnotic. That sounds really, you know, I don't know, hypnotic. So yeah, guys, you could see, I don't know if you guys could see that these resistors are discolored. Yeah, you guys could see it from there. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, like, and let me see, the value on them is they're still reading. It says 30. Huh, really no. 30. All of them saying 30 ohms. Really? Which I don't, honestly, guys, I don't believe that. That's one of the most 30 ohms. I think this should be like 10 ohms or something there. Somewhere they brown black. Well, these look like brown black brown. I'm gonna get one of them up, guys, in a few, and then I get back to you because my soldering didn't plug in. So guys, I'm gonna pause the video for a while and get back to you guys in a second. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I removed all the MOSFETs here, the power supply MOSFETs, and only to find out, guys, look at this one. This one was, yeah, that's the one, guys. So all the power supply MOSFETs are messed up. So now I'm going to see, because these resistors shouldn't be like 30 ohms. I don't think so. Aha, guys, these are reading. I'm going to show you. So these MOSFETs are reading. See that? 90, 92, 93, 94, 95, 90, going up. These are 100 ohms resistors for the gate right here in the power supply, for the power supply MOSFET. And at first it was showing me like 30. So right here now, this says CS50NO6. That's for the power supply MOSFET. And these are the exact MOSFET as the guys, if you would remember my videos, these are the same exact ECG, I mean NTE, that ECG by NTE. So you know it goes NTE as the IRF44N. So the same one. Just remember this, guys. 50NO6. Wherever you see that number 50NO6, those are the IRF-Z44N. Yep. So these are burnt. Yeah, they discolored. I didn't have to. Yeah, some people wouldn't change them, but definitely I'm going to change them. 1, 2, 3. So 6 of them plus 6 power supply MOSFET, and that should pour it on. So let me get that power supply. So guys, then I get some parts together and then I get back to you guys. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna replace some parts here right now. So let me show you the batch that I'm using here. Show you both back and front. It's not that visible. Show you guys. So that's the batch I'm using, and guys, correction, this use 3 MOSFET, 3 on this side, 3 on that side. I thought it was 4. I end up accidentally taking out the recovery diodes. My words, guys, a good thing I have another one like this, so I would figure it out, you know, what's wrong then. But I would eventually find out, but maybe where they place it's gonna do me a little challenge. But yeah, so those fall out, don't worry. So the recovery diode, I'm gonna take the measurement of the recovery diode, guys. That's already inside of it, so that way I know where to the distance to place these. Sometimes I have it in my head though, and just what I did just now. And at this time the neighbor decided to cut his yard. Can you imagine? Middle day when the sun is so hot. Guys, so yep, solder those in. Then this side here, and this side here. Need the resistor now, the 10 ohm resistor. Oh, come on, what's going on here? Solder bridge is going on, guys. Oh yeah, still have some solder bridge on this middle one here. It's not a good sign, that's not good. Come on. No bridge, come on, no bridge. So let me show you guys the burnt 10 ohm resistors, guys. That's them. Discolored, they go over there. And then I have these guys. These are some bigger ones, don't worry. It won't hurt a thing. You know, higher watt, everything. That should be good. At least these won't get discolored that easily. So I'm going to keep saying I'm gonna, guys. Yeah, I'm Jamaican, guys, so we say gonna and stuff like that. So if you hear some of that sometimes, guys, don't believe I don't know the proper way of saying the word, English word or pronunciation. I do know it, but you know, sometimes that's gonna come out sometime. The Jamaica in you. Okay, guys, yama. All right. But some people say all right. We say all right. All right. Yes, guys. So you know, in Jamaican we have said all right, man. All right, man. Yeah, man. Cool. Yes, guys. That's what we said. Everything good. Enough respect. All right. Yeah. Yes, guys. That's it. That's what we do, guys. That's what we do. So. Side. So have some flux. I'm going to have to clean up between, just make sure there's no solder bridge between those stuff right there. And this one too. Yep. So So guys, I'm going to do this side, but I'm gonna pause the video for a while just to not making it that long, so that I can download it easily. So I'll get back to you guys real. Okay guys, everything is installed as you could see. Yeah, clean like a whistle. And this, guys, you could see this blue resistor here, 100 ohm resistor. Oh yeah. I told you guys, these I make a mistake with these. I remove these accidentally. The recovery diodes, yeah, it happens sometimes. But I did find where it's supposed to go to. So there's a diode here. So guys, this is the only switch. Put this back on this thing here. I'm going to see if I get alright. Make sure nothing don't pop. There's a transistor right here that I didn't check to see, but there's a little thing, guys, you could do to make sure. Alright, so I will put this on the power supply. Wow, everything connected, and the ground lead and the positive lead, guys, you put the meter on it. And if you get it, if it's shorting out, yeah, definitely something still wrong with the power supply. But now I'm going to pour it out and see if I get a light through this indicator light through this right here. So let's go. Something is wrong. I got a feedback on the power supply, so something is different. Ow. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, this MOSFET are. Let me check here. Something is wrong, guys. So man, the diode here is bad. Diode here, let me make sure. It could be that one of the output, the power supply MOSFET just got shot just now, and maybe this was bad all along. Man, but I didn't catch this. That's messed up. Okay. Oh my words, guys! Definitely got everything going up and running. How could that be? That doesn't make sense right now. Yep. Push it through the other side there, guys. Just like that damn thing here, man. Oh, man. I don't understand why this happened, guys, but sometimes you never know. And you never know. Oh my goodness, shot. Let's see, guys, if that's a problem, because it doesn't make sense. Oh man, the diode is good, guys. Oh wow, these just blow up. Now the phone needs charging, guys. Jeez. So of this video, guys, definitely have to do a part 2. Sorry about that.
Yeah, if you wanna be free, yeah, that freedom is found in the blood. Yeah, he did it for me and my family. Now I'm just trying to spread the love.